Are you ready for a light, refreshing, and ultra-nutritious salad that will keep you energized all day long? This Avocado Quinoa Power Salad is packed with wholesome ingredients, bursting with fresh flavors, and super easy to prepare. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a post-workout meal, or a healthy side dish, this vibrant salad will hit the spot. Let's dive into this delicious and nutrient-packed creation. Ingredients: 2 cups water, salt to taste, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 large cucumber, 4 Roma tomatoes, 2 ripe avocados, 1 lemon, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, pepper to taste. How to make it: in a small saucepan, bring water and a pinch of salt to a boil. Add the quinoa, cover, and let it simmer for 15 minutes until fully absorbed. Transfer to a medium bowl and let it cool to room temperature. Then fluff with a fork. Refrigerate for about 20 minutes to enhance texture and flavor. Chop the spinach, dice the cucumber, tomatoes, and avocados into bite-sized pieces. Add all the veggies to the bowl of cooled quinoa and gently mix. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil. Then season with salt and pepper. Give it a final toss. Serve immediately or store in the fridge for a refreshing meal later. This salad is gluten-free, vegan-friendly, protein-packed, super easy to make. A perfect combination of fresh, crisp vegetables, creamy avocado, and fluffy quinoa makes this a meal prep winner. Whether you're enjoying it as a main dish or a side, this salad will leave you feeling refreshed and satisfied. Give it a try and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more delicious and healthy recipes.